what we are going to do is put some picture on top of the on top now in the background of the section. Okay. So the question is release and receive a Magical People's Wellness Retreat. They are going to be in the section. Do you want something else to be also added in the section where you are going to add the picture in the background, or do you just want to? Okay, yeah, we will start just putting the picture in the background, so you see how it looks like, and then you can decide if you want to put something else or put it below. Okay, perfect. So
I better change the color of this text because I want a greenish picture in the background.
Okay, so you can put it white, for example, but just wait if you want. Yeah, or don't wait. So just put it white.
Now I can't see it, but at least I know that it's there.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay. So now we have the section. In the section we have the columns, and in the columns we have the widgets. Okay. So we are going to change the background picture of the whole section. Okay. So you have to go to the top, and where the blue thing appears, you have to go to this is for adding a new section. You will add a new section in the top. You go here, edit section. Perfect. Okay, and now you have already the section selected, because on the left, on top, it says edit section. On the left, you see it. Okay, so you are editing the section now.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, and now I don't remember where it is, if it's in style or advanced. Let's go to style first. And background. Okay, so we're going to start with the simple things. Background type. Perfect. Click there.
The classic.
Yeah. And then you can put a color. You can put an image. Okay. So, or you could. Okay. And are these pictures big enough?
Are they big enough? I don't know.
Because
this is a banner. This one is a long one.
Yeah, the resolution. This for example, it says 800 times 200. So this is small. So as I told you yesterday, it is important having pictures that are 1,000, 1,600 pixels wide, in order to, when we make things big, that they don't lose the resolution.
Okay, so let me find some of those.
Yeah, so for example, you went there and got the pictures from the page that I sent you. The pictures that had a.
That's too small as well.
Yeah. Okay. Did you download the pictures from yesterday?
I did download some of them. Yeah.
And are these one there, or there are different ones?
Yeah, these are the ones that I'm just clicking on now, are the ones I downloaded yesterday.
Okay.
So that's a little bit.
400. No.
Okay, well, let's go to that.
Yeah, let's go to the page and let's download some of the images that you like, but with bigger resolution, so you can use them in your page and it looks great.
Okay.
Okay, so when you hover over the things, it tells you what is the resolution. Okay, this is 50 times 400.
Okay, so that's
Yeah,
not good.
so it's not good.
Oh, there's one.
Okay, which one?
This 1000 by 665.
That is better.
But not okay.
This one is 1600, the one with the beers near the pond. Okay, this one is bigger. Maybe it's not the one that you want to put in your page, but
Yeah.
but this is the kind of size that we are looking for. Okay, so just take a look at the things that you like, and let's see which one is big enough.
Oh, that would be a good one.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, so
Save images. Okay, perfect. Good. Okay, so now you see that the picture is in the background, but you don't see a lot
yeah.
because you have only a couple of lines of text,
Oh,
and yeah, and it's not enough space. Okay, what can we do?